if I told you, you don't have a money problem, you have an awareness problem? If you don't know where your money's going, then you can't tell it where to go. For the next 21 days, we're changing that. Over 30 years ago, when borrowing from one credit card to pay another credit card wasn't working any longer for my family, and the credit agencies were calling every night at dinner, and the kids would ask, "Who was that on the phone?" And I would have to lie to them, it woke me up. I couldn't believe that we had let ourselves get into a financial mess that we had found ourselves in. I was embarrassed and ashamed. I grew up in a family where if we didn't have the money for something, we didn't buy it. If we didn't have cash, it wasn't coming home for us. I married into a family where they felt leveraging someone else's money made sense. Well, let me tell you, leveraging wasn't working for our family. The creditors were calling every night, and we're having to lie to our kids. It was right then and there in that season that I realized I couldn't stomach debt, and some big changes had to happen. And since I can't change anyone but myself, I decided to discover where every single cent of our budget was going. And I started tracking it. It was then when I became a bossy budgeter. That's when this idea started. Not bossing around my family or my husband, but bossing around our money. And if I can do it, if I can face the reality of being $100,000 in debt, you can face yours as well. My husband and we paid off every single cent using the methods that I'm going to be teaching you in this series. All of the lessons can be found in the playlist called Bossy Budgeter. Now, we're not learning how to boss around people. We are bossing around our money. We're going to make our money work for us and not against us. Lesson 2, the discovery stage. Here is the challenge. For 21 days, track every penny. Coffee, write it down. Amazon order, write it down. Found change, write it down. No rounding, no guessing, to the penny, write it down. So here's an analogy. It's like opening a box of furniture pieces. You dump everything out, it's total chaos on your living room floor. But you can't build what you don't unpack. So for 21 days, it's 3 weeks that builds momentum. And this isn't forever. It's discipline training. You are not called to bondage. You are called to stewardship. Philippians 4:13, I can do all things through him who gives me strength. So let's start moving. Get a pencil, get a paper, make a note on your phone. Just get tracking every penny. And you don't have to change your spending habits and behaviors while we're tracking every cent. That's going to come later. This is the discovery stage. For the next 21 days, you're going to come face to face with your relationship with money. I want you to be kind to yourself, and especially be kind to your spouse. And it's important that you guys are doing this together. This is an awareness step. You are going to be awakened to your money habits, your money hang-ups, and possibly how money has hurt you in the past. We will deal with your habits, your hang-ups, and your hurts in future lessons. But for the next 21 days, track every penny. You can do this. Get a notebook, or better yet, just open up an app on your phone. Track it, every penny coming in and going out. And that's it. That is the challenge. All right, I know you can do this. I will see you in 21 days. I am excited for you and your family. This journey at the beginning seems undoable, but it can be done. Change can happen. I am proof of that. Thank you for hanging out with me to the end. It is proof that you do want to change. Put "I'm in the comments, and I will pray for you and your financial situation. Until next time, have a blessed day. Bye.